Let me ask you something. Why can you scroll social media for 3 hours without getting tired, but studying for 10 minutes feels painful? Are you lazy? Is your discipline weak? Actually, no. Your brain is simply addicted to dopamine spikes. And in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful neuroscience trick called the Dopamine Loading Method that can reprogram your brain to crave studying the same way it craves social media. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make studying feel rewarding instead of painful. Hello and welcome to Clear Voice English, the channel where we help you improve not just your English, but also your learning skills, focus, and study habits. If you want to learn faster, concentrate better, and finally enjoy studying, this lesson is for you. Let's begin with an important question. Your brain doesn't care whether you're studying English or watching videos. Your brain only cares about dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that controls motivation and reward prediction. And here's the surprising truth. Dopamine is not about pleasure. It's about anticipation. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects a reward. Now think about social media. Every scroll, every notification, every video. Your brain receives massive dopamine spikes, but studying? Studying gives very small dopamine rewards. So your brain compares the two and says, why study when I can scroll? And that's why studying feels boring. But the good news is, you can hack your brain's dopamine system. There is a powerful technique called the Dopamine Loading Method. This method retrains your brain to associate studying with reward. It has 3 phases: dopamine deprivation, dopamine priming, dopamine amplification. Let's break them down. The first step is to lower your dopamine baseline. This means avoiding highly stimulating activities. For example, no social media, no gaming, no YouTube, no endless scrolling at first. This feels uncomfortable. Your brain starts craving stimulation. But this is exactly what we want. Because when dopamine levels drop, your brain becomes hungry for reward. And now studying becomes much more attractive. Next comes dopamine priming. Before you begin studying, take 1 minute and visualize success. Imagine you finished your study session, you understand the material, you feel proud, your brain starts predicting that reward. And when your brain predicts a reward, it releases dopamine before you even begin studying. Now studying suddenly feels easier to start. The third phase is dopamine amplification. This is where you reinforce studying with small controlled rewards. The best tool for this is the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes. Then take a short 3 to 5 minute break. But the break must be low dopamine. For example, stretch, drink water, walk around, look outside, not this. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, because high dopamine breaks destroy your focus. Here is a simple daily routine using this method. Morning. Start your day without your phone. Instead, make your bed, take a cold shower, drink water, stretch. Then begin a 30-minute dopamine deprivation period. No stimulation. After that, visualize your study success. Then start studying with the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes studying, 5 minutes low dopamine break. Repeat. During meals, eat mindfully without scrolling. And in the evening, you can allow controlled entertainment, but keep it limited. Here's something important. The first 3 days are difficult. Your brain will resist. It will want social media. It will want quick dopamine. But something amazing happens around day 4 or 5. Your dopamine baseline resets. Your brain starts receiving dopamine from productive activities. And suddenly, studying doesn't feel like torture anymore. It feels satisfying, but there is one danger. A single social media binge can reset your dopamine system. Hours of scrolling can bring your brain back to its old habits. That's why you must protect your dopamine pattern. Think of it like training a muscle. Consistency builds strength. Distraction destroys it. So here's my challenge for you. Try the dopamine loading method for 5 days. Just 5 days. Avoid high dopamine distractions. Use visualization. Study with structured breaks. And watch how your brain begins to crave learning instead of avoiding it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. Comment 5-day challenge if you're going to try this method. Subscribe to Clear Voice English for more videos on learning, focus, and mastering English faster. And remember, success in learning doesn't come from forcing your brain. It comes from training your brain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.